Ross Island is an interesting project, but when you actually look at how much New Zealand basically takes from the US at McMurdo Sound, and the relationship that we have with some of our wider stakeholders such as Antarctic New Zealand, it was a wonderful opportunity for us to help them give something back to the Americans.
And all that the energy down there comes from diesel fuel that's shipped down to Ross Island. The cost of getting that diesel down there is phenomenal.
We ultimately had to choose a turbine which could cope with the minus 30 degrees in the winter.
Well, the turbines largely were set up in advance for those climates. They're a very simple machine, they're very robust, they don't have a gearbox, so viscosity of oil is not a problem, there's a lot less moving parts, nevertheless better suited for the environment down there.
Logistically, because the boat goes down at the end of the season or end of the summer, the components had to sit there over winter. So all the components had to fit in containers so that they wouldn't be damaged.
Take your gloves off and the hands start to freeze up quickly. It's a very hostile environment to be at.
There was some challenges around built a foundation, if you like. So we had precast concrete blocks that fitted on a foundation that looked a bit like a spider, so each sort of leg went down into these concrete blocks that were already buried in the soil.
They use what they call, I think it's Antarctic cement. They drill a hole and then put in water with a mixture of loose gravel and stuff, and when it goes into the ground it freezes.
And in terms of being able to demonstrate, I guess, a world-class company working in tandem in an environment which is incredibly challenging, I mean, it doesn't get any better than that.
It's the kind of environment that you should be looking at renewable stations, not to pollute the pristine atmosphere down there.